Phew. All right, guys, just taking a bit of the soil from that big pile over there. I'll show you in a minute. I'm sticking it in here. I don't want that stone, that's for sure. Yeah, and this bed, I'll make a note that I've used soil in this bed, and I'll put compost in that one, and around the outside of that one I'll grow carrots. But there's a few weeds in here, but that pile has been there for 4 years and nothing grows in it. I'll take a few of the thicker weed roots out, but no, they're brittle, so I'll top it up with compost, but this will do for now. Do a wheelbarrow a day, lighten the load, you know. Little and often, as some people say. Right, that'll do for now. And what I do, I got to do I put the prills on, but I'll show you that on the top plot. Okay then, the other thing I've done today is fitted a new owl. Now the old one, the other plot's called Ollie, so this has got to be called Olivia, yeah. There we are then, so that's quite a good position really, because it's high up. I reckon that'll scare a few pigeons. Oh, you're right guys, just before I do day 3 conditioning on here, I'm going to try out this temperature probe. Just see if it is warming up at all. I see 11 degrees, you can't see that, but I don't expect it is, but got to find somewhere softer to go in. There we are. Up there. No, not yet. Same as last year, I think it's going to be a slow start. But, well, let's get the conditioning done. Okay then, we're on day 3. And day 3 is half a cup of urea and saturate the bales. So, here we go. I'm getting good at guessing how much to use. How we even need to spread it. Right, here we go then, a full saturation, which is about 2 watering cans, I suppose. We've had a few showers, it is a little bit damp on the inside. So, a couple of minutes on each. Right guys, I was having a chat with Terry, that's Terry King, other Terrys are available, about which way to lay the straw. Now, the conventional way is to lay them with the ends facing upwards so that water can run down the hollow straws. But you've only got to look at that, there aren't many hollow straws there. They're all squashed up. So I don't think it matters a bit. Anyway, I know it doesn't because it worked last year. Oh, that's the 3rd fire engine. That's not good. Alright guys, Lidl is only just down the road from the allotment really, about half a mile if that, yeah, half a mile. So I remembered it was gardening week, so I popped in and I got this. Cotton string, 100 metres, 2 lots of jute string, 200 metres each, 2, I don't know, cords of raffia cord, yeah, seagrass cord, 120 plant pots, little tiny ones which I use loads of, thick rubberized ties, and I use a lot of that, The twisty tie, the stuff that you get round electric cables when you buy it, and I always use a lot of that. Tree ties, Bug Hotel. 28 quid. That is incredible. Alright guys, day 4, just a saturation. And this is the last time we saturate the bales. I just put my hand inside and they are soaking in there. So yeah, it's the last time we saturate them. After this, it'll just be the watering can, or a watering can per bale. But that's another day. Don't want to get ahead of ourselves. So just a saturation today. No feed. I'm not going to do the temperature again. I'll do it again tomorrow. This is coming out the bottom already. Must be well wet. At the bottom as well, not the top. Right then. You don't want to see me doing all of these, so I'll do this one and turn the camera off. The observant amongst you will notice I've changed day 4 from 1 gallon to saturate. And this is purely because we're due some quite warm weather in the next 3 days. 20 degrees, I reckon, on Friday. So I was going to get them really, really soaking wet. But as you'll see on the right hand side there, the plot 39 big beds, I've left it at 1 gallon because things can change. Chatting with my my supplier of the bales, and he said there was a little bit of a short supply this year because it was so wet last year. A lot of baling was ruined, and he said that was more so for hay than straw. But we don't use hay, do we? Hey. What I'll do, I'll turn you off and catch you on the next video, as they say.